Imagine you're not just keeping pace with the future of polymers in additive manufacturing, you're the one shaping it. Let's be honest, as an experienced polymer professional, you know the challenge isn't just getting plastics to melt and flow, it's crafting the right molecular architecture for flawless 3D prints every single time. With 3D printing tech like FDM, SLA, and SLS evolving by the day, the demands on your formulations have never been higher. Zero warpage, perfect adhesion, advanced mechanical properties. These aren't just buzzwords. They're your new baseline. And that's exactly why this specialized online training is a must. Here's what you'll unlock. First, you'll discover how to tailor your polymers for top-tier printability. Whether it's fine-tuning rheology for SLS powders or boosting impact strength in PLA blends, you'll get the inside track on every critical step. Next, dive deep into the science behind additives, fillers, and nano-reinforcements that take your base resins from good to game-changing. But there's more. The push for sustainable and recyclable AM materials is real. You'll learn about covalent adaptable networks, bioplastics, and closed-loop systems before they hit the mainstream. Through real-world case studies and hands-on failure analysis, you'll see what works, what doesn't, and why. If you're an R&D chemist, a technical manager, or anyone in product development, this is your invitation to join the leaders, not the followers. You'll get a full-spectrum view from AM platforms and material needs to performance tuning, recyclability, validation, and breakthroughs in post-processing. So, are you ready to future-proof your skills and transform your formulations? Don't just watch the future of 3D printing. Be the expert who drives it. Sign up now and let's build what's next together. Don't wait. To register, visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.